welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone 11, 13, 14, 15 getting hot while charging. Some users reported on Reddit and Apple community that their iPhone 11, 13, 14 gets hot while charging, and this problem influences their usage experience. Whether your iPhone refuses to charge, gets too hot to touch, or apps keep lagging, looking for a solution is a must, as it might harm your iPhone's hardware or software. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first I am going to tell you switch off the background app refresh. The background app refresh feature downloads updated information online even when not using a specific app. Downloading a ton of data can result in heating issues, so disabling this feature reduces the workload on your iPhone's processor while charging, which can help keep the device cooler. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to general option. Scroll down, here you will see the option of background app refresh. Tap on it. You can turn off any app you want, and also you can go to background app refresh and turn off entirely, and you are done. Next I am going to tell you toggle on auto brightness. This feature adjusts your screen brightness based on the surrounding light, which can help conserve battery life and reduce heat. Too much brightness can cause your iPhone to overheat while charging. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to accessibility option. Next, choose display and text size. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you will see the option of auto brightness. Tap on its toggle button to turn it on. I am not turning it on because I am making a video right now, and you are done. And the next step is set low power mode. If the screen is awake for a long time, you will likely face the iPhone overheating issue. So activate low power mode reduces overall energy consumption. If the screen is awake for a long time, you will likely face the iPhone overheating issue. So activating low power mode reduces overall energy consumption by limiting background activity and automatic downloads. It can help keep your iPhone cool. For this, go to settings and then choose battery option. Next, tap on low power mode toggle button to enable it, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you stop and remove apps with glitches. Faulty app can cause excessive resource usage, leading to overheating. Identifying and removing these can mitigate the issue. For this, keep holding any app and then tap on remove app in the pop-up menu. Next, choose delete app, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you update apps. Keep your applications up to date, as developers often release updates to fix bugs that might solve your iPhone's overheating problem. For this, go to App Store, tap on it and then tap on your ID at the top right corner of your screen. Next, scroll down. Here you will see all the apps that needed to be updated. So tap on update and update all the apps, and you are done. Next, I am going to tell you update your iOS. Updating to the latest iOS version can enhance your iPhone's thermal management capabilities, helping it run cooler when charging. For this, go to settings, scroll down, go to general option, then choose software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. Although resetting all settings is not recommended, try it out. If other fixes don't work, it can help resolve incorrect settings without erasing your data that may be causing your iPhone to overheat. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down and then choose transfer or reset iPhone, and then choose reset and choose reset all settings. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset all settings on your iPhone, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone 11, 13, 14 and 15 getting hot while charging, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.